Welcome again to my tutorial video today. I want to show you guys today on how you can start affiliate marketing with $0. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. I'll show you the strategy, the method you can use to start affiliate marketing in 2026 with $0. All these companies you want to partner with, you don't need to pay them any single money. It's totally free to join all these companies and promote their product and make money for yourself. But you need to just learn the strategy in this video. That is why I need your attention closely. Watch this video to the end. Like, share, comment. Let me know which country are you watching from on this particular video. Then let's just move to the next step right now. Can you start affiliate marketing with $0? Yes, you can start affiliate marketing and build your affiliate network marketing journey without a large budget. But you need to understand what you are doing and have a simple strategy. So just make sure to watch this video to the end because we are going to learn everything in this video. So I advise you, encourage to watch this video to the end because this is one of the best ways to make money online. Is called affiliate marketing without paying any single money to any company before you can promote their product and services. So let's move on to the next step. You don't necessarily need a website, all right, before you can start affiliate marketing. All right, so many beginners think they need a website, thousands of followers, paid advertising, or their own product before you can start. That's not necessary too. All right, you don't need to have a website. You don't need to have 1,000 followers. You don't need to paid advertising or your own products. So I'm going to show you every step you need to understand about this affiliate marketing in this 2026. Or let's move to the next step right now so you can understand what I mean. Then what do you need? All right, what do you need before you can start affiliate marketing? What you really need is a device, an internet access, a specific niche, a legitimate affiliate program, useful content, and willingness to learn and stay consistency. That is simple and easy. Just need a computer, an internet access, a specific niche, a legitimate affiliate program, useful content, and consist. That's what just needs. You have to just follow all these particular rules. Then you will be succeed in this affiliate marketing by just using the rule and strategy I'm trying to teach you in this particular video. Then step one, all right, step one is very important. Step one is to choose a niche. You have to choose a niche. Don't try to promote everything. Choose a specific audience and understand the problem they are trying to solve. All right, so you have to just choose one particular niche. Then don't promote everything. You see, all right, a specific niche. Then their problem. Then your content or will solve their own particular problem. All right, so I'm going to, all right, it's very important. So now let me show you guys a sample on what particular people normally find on the internet. So when you come to your Google Play Store, so people normally come to you and search something like this. All right, they can search something like this, bags, all right, tools, all right, bed tools, for content. All right, so this kind of people normally search it on the internet. All right, for content creation. All right, this kind of thing people normally search. So all this kind of thing is people normally search. You can see which tool is best for content creation. You can see then which AI tool is best for content creation. So what are the best AI tools for content creation? Those are the things people are currently searching for. Though your own content or your own products will easily solve this particular problem which people are currently searching for. All right, so that is how you are going to be looking for what people are looking for. Then your own affiliate product will solve their own particular problem. Then right now we are in steps 2. You have to just make sure to find all right, the product that solve people's problem. All right, so step 2 is to find product or services that solve real problem. Don't choose a product simply because somebody say it's pay a high commission. Check whether the product is legitimate, useful, and relevant to your audience. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys some sample of of websites you can easily partner with. Then you can pick your product there, then you start promoting it. All right, so let me just show you a sample of website that is good, that you can easily, either you are in Nigerian, either you are in UK or American, you can easily partner with all these company, and with zero, you don't need to have any money. You don't need to pay them any single money before you can partner with all this affiliate network. So one of the company you can easily partner with is called Gumerot. So this company is an affiliate network that you can easily join them and pick a product from this company and start promoting it. But you are going to learn how you can easily partner, how you can easily connect with this company, how you can pick the product there, then how you can easily start promoting it on the internet. You are going to learn how to do that in this particular video at the end of this video. So just make sure. Then another company you can also partner if you are living in UK, US. This one is not working for Nigerian. You can also be partner of this particular company called Clickbank. But let me go to our Nigerian website. Sorry, this one is international website that you can partner with them in Nigeria. If you are living in Nigerian, you can pick a product here and promote it to people and make your commission. All right, without any issue. You can also partner with this particular company called Namecheap and pick a product on this particular company and start selling it with people. And start promoting the products, all right, and get commission. So I'm just trying to show you a lot of some company you can partner. Then this is another company called Impact. Impact is also available for Nigeria. This company, can you see they are paying you to your local, to your payment method, either PayPal, wherever, direct transfer. They can pay you when you partner with this. All these companies are free to join. You don't need to pay any single money to them before you can start making money with this company. Just make sure to pick the links given to you and start promoting this particular video. So let's move to the next step so I can show you how the next step, the guide you can also follow and start partner with all this company. All right, step 3 is you can create a tutorial educational content. Step 3 is to creating useful content. You can make use of educational videos, review, comparison, and video that solve specific problem. All right, this is where, all right, you don't need to even show your face. Just make sure you can use all this kind of Google slide, record your screen, voiceover, and then finish your videos. Then you can just review the products that you are trying to promote to people. Then you're trying to solve people's problem when they are searching on the internet for them. It's very, 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 very simple. Like just what I just showed right now. Let me show you something again. You can see this kind of this is what people are currently searching for. Which tool is best for content creation? You can see all these products are available on all these platforms. Just show you. Can you see which AI tools is best for content creation? What are the best AI tools for content creation in 2020? Those are what people are searching for right now. Which app do content creator use? Which app do content creator use? All these kind of, you see, are the products you can easily promote, and you can see who are the top 10 content Nigerians. So this one is also different. So different, and people are normally asked a lot of things. Best tools for content, free content. So all this kind of, I'm just giving example. You can promote any after you already pick your niche. I'm just showing example what people normally ask for on the internet. Then your own product will be the solution from their products. Your own products will be, or your app you want to promote will be the solution for their problem they want to solve. Then the lastly is that then you can see, then if you don't want to show your face, you see, and if you don't want to show your face, that is okay. You can use voiceover, screen recording, slide text, graphics, and product demonstrations to create useful content. Then that's how it works. So you can see, you can just try to show your just show your screen. Just demonstrate and record your screen, slide, text, and graphic product. That is what, just demonstrate and show the product to people, and people see it and get your link and buy from through your affiliate links. These are the things you need to just follow. All right. If you don't want to show your face, you can use voiceover, screen recording, slide, text, and graphics, and product demonstration. Then when people see your content, all right, and it's useful for them, they will easily click on link and you get paid in commission. Then these are the things you need to just follow again. Or you see, don't make this particular mistake. All right, don't make this particular mistake. All right, so here is one of the biggest mistake beginner make. They focus on too much on posting their affiliate link instead of helping people. Create a useful content first, educate your audience, build trust, then recommend relevant products or services. All right, that is the mistake people normally make. You have to just help, educate, build trust, and recommend the products for people, all right, who need that particular product. All right, so let's move up to the next step. Is the next step is let me just try to show you. Is this is your very simple rules you just need to follow. All right, so the simple process is this: choose your niche, understand the problem, find the relevant product, create useful content, attract the right audience, and give interested people a way of learn more. It's that simple and easy. All right, so now if you really want the complete beginner roadmap, all right, if you want a structured step-by-step roadmap instead of jumping between random videos, check out my guide, Affiliate Marketing from Zero. It's designed for beginners who want to understand the process and learn how to promote products online. You can check the link in the description of this video, or you can check my bio wherever you see this video. Check my link in the bio, or you can check the comments, or you can check the description of this video. You are going to find this particular guide that can help you to start affiliate marketing from zero. It is very, very, very important to get the copy right now. The link is in the bio, and you just make sure to just go and get that guide. It's very, very simple and easy. Then you are going to learn everything and how you can start this affiliate marketing from zero. Then learn, create, promote, grow. Or you see, so the link is at the end, is in my bio, or you can just check the description of this video. You are going to see the link under this video description. Is very, very important. So thank you guys for watching the video. Try to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video. If you find this video helpful, try to share it to people, let people learn from this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys. See you guys in my next coming video.